go. Who wants to see a wheelie?
Yeah.
No one? Okay,
Yeah.
hi there. Alright. So,
like he's got the balance.
alright, let's get going.
Come on, you can do better than that.
Come on, guys.
Woo! That's fast.
Try something different. Maybe I'll give myself a round of applause. I didn't hear anyone clap, I just heard me clap. Woo! Lukey Luke! Alright.
What do you call that one, mate?
Hard. Let's see if we can make it a little bit harder.
Do you have an easy one? Oh, look at that, guys. 1 foot off.
Alright. Try and talk you guys through this. So this is a flamingo. Sounds a little feminine. Doesn't feel feminine. But that wasn't supposed to happen, but we'll get back to that one. You got your own burnout? Put that on Instagram.
I had someone ask Luke, how long do the tyres last?
It's just
I can't hear you guys.
yeah, buddy.
Oh, keep it going. Come on. Make some noise. You know what? The more noise you make, the faster he goes. Oh, yeah!
I'll just tone it down so I can hear you.
Oh. Give him a round of applause.
Just leave that there for a bit, huh?
Hey, look, what's the lifespan of the tyres? Someone asked me before.
Ask my tyre.
Okay.
Hold on. We'll see what he says. Pretty sure that was please don't stop.
Gotcha.
Where are those Harley riders? Do this on your Harleys.
Don't need to go that far. That's far.
Oh, come on, guys, don't be shy. Make some noise. The louder you get, the louder he gets. easy, that one, mate.
Yeah. Can you hear me puffing?
How old were you when you started riding, Luke?
3.
3, okay.
3.
So 7, 4,
Oh, Dad
15
bought me a
years ago.
motorbike and I think he spent the rest of my life trying to get me off him. You know the rules, you were
Yeah,
here for last show,
don't
don't
move.
you?
Some noise, guys. Come on, the louder you get, the faster he gets.
Thanks, guys. What do you say we get a couple of people out here?
All right.
Girls.
You want to go in the spark plug challenge? It's very easy. They're going to time you to change spark plugs, and the winner will win a prize.